Hello students, welcome to the coordinate geometry straight line part 5. Here we'll be solving some more questions. Here we have to find the slope and intercept. So let us revise formula once again. Suppose ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is a general equation. Then y into mx form we will try to write. So by is equal to minus a x minus c. So y is equal to minus a by b x minus c by b. Then slope will be minus a by b and y intercept is equal to minus c by b, sorry, minus c by b. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 10. Then c is equal to plus 10. Then slope will be slope minus a by b. So minus 1 by 1. So slope is minus 1. And y-intercept is minus c by b. So minus 10 by b. B was how much? 1. So that is slope is minus 10. So what is the x-intercept? X-intercept put y is equal to 0. So if y is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 10. So x-intercept is also minus 10. So intercept we can find by putting x is equal to 0, then we'll get the y-intercept. And put y is equal to 0, then we'll get the x-intercept. So that way also intercept you can find. And another method is that you convert into x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So here x plus y is equal to minus 10. So xy minus 10 plus yy minus 10 is equal to 1. So x-intercept is also minus 10. Y-intercept is also minus 10. So you can do by this method also. So here slope minus a by b. So minus 2 by 1. So is equal to minus 2. And intercept minus c by b. So minus 30 by 1. So that is equal to minus 30. And for x-intercept, put y is equal to 0. Then x will be minus 50. Now come to the third. So here slope minus a by b is equal to minus 1 by 3, that is equal to minus 1 by, that is minus equal 1 by 3. And y-intercept is equal to minus c by b. So minus c means minus of minus 15 by 3. So that is equal to 5. So 5 will be the answer. Now come to the next question. Find the acute angle between the pair of lines. So pair of lines, first we have to find the slope. The slope of this is minus a by b. So minus 12 divided by minus 4 is equal to 3. And here slope minus b by a, minus a by b. Minus a by b means minus 4 by that is minus 2. So angle between tan theta is equal to, we know the formula, m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. So m1, suppose this one m1, so this 3 minus of minus 2 divided by 1 plus 3 into minus 2. So 3 to 5, here 1 minus 6 equal to minus 1. So this is a mod of this is mod of this is equal to 1. Then theta is equal to 45 degree. Find the angle between here, slope minus a by b. So first y minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So minus of minus 2 divided by b is 1. So that is equal to 2. Here similarly, slope of this is 3. So tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. So that is equal to 3 minus 2 divided by 1 minus 1 plus 3 into 2. So that is equal to 1 by 7. Therefore theta is equal to tan inverse 1 by 7. Now come to the next question. So here this slope is equal to root 3, and this slope is minus 1 by root 3. So angle, so tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m2 m2 mod. So this one is root 3 minus of minus 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus root 3 into minus of 1 by root 3. So this is root 3 plus 1 by root 3 divided by 1 root 3 get cancelled, 1 minus 1. Sorry, this is also plus. This is also plus. This is minus minus. This is plus. So this is minus. And this is plus. So get cancel. So 1 1 2. This is plus. Correct? No. This is plus. By minus b by a minus a by b. A is minus 1 divided by root 3. So and this minus and this minus. So minus minus plus 1 by root 3. Correct. So 1 plus 1. So that is equal to 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 into 1 plus 1, 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled. So 1 by root 3. So tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan theta is equal to 30 degree. So this is the answer. Now come to the fourth question. Fourth question says, so that the pair of lines perpendicular to each other, then slope of this one and slope of this one, if multiply this will be minus 1, then we can say that is the perpendicular to each other. So m1 is equal to minus a by b. So minus 2 by b. B is minus 4. So that is half. And here m2 is equal to minus a by b. So minus 2 by 1. That is 2. So half into minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, both lines are perpendicular to each other. Similarly, we have to solve the second question. Second question, m1 slope is 2 and here's m1, m2 slope is minus 2 by 4, that is minus half. So m1 into m2 is equal to 2 into minus half is equal to minus 1. Hence, therefore, both lines are perpendicular to each other. Question number 5. Find the equation of line which passes through the line and makes the angle 45 degree with. So suppose this equation is having slope m1. So tan 45 degrees, 45 degree, and this is m2. So m2 is equal to 3. M2 is equal to 3. So how? So minus a by b. So minus of 3 divided by minus 1 is equal to 3. So that is equal to m2 minus m1, 1 plus m1 into m2. So it is equal to 3 minus m1 divided by 1 plus 3m is equal to tan 45 degree, that is equal to 1. So 1 minus m1 is equal to 1 plus 3m1. So 4m1 is equal to 0. So m1 is equal to, so m1 is equal to how much? Sorry, this is 3, no? 3. So 4m1 is equal to 2. So m1 is equal to 2 by 4, that means half. So now see, this is in mod, this can be negative also. So 1 is equal to, we can write m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. So that is equal to m1 minus 3 divided by 1 plus 3m1. So 1 plus 3m1, m1 minus 3. So 2m1 is equal to minus 4. So m1 is equal to minus half. So minus half and plus half. So m1 is equal to 2, 3, 4, 2 by 1 half. This is equal to minus 2. Yes. 2m1 is equal to 4. So then 4 by 2 is equal to minus 2. So 1m1 is 2 and 1m1 is minus 2. 1m1 is half and another one is minus 2. Both answers. So if that is the, because see, if you see the graph, so if 45 degrees then this also be 45 degree, and this line also make 45 degree. So this slope of this will be different and this will be different. So here slope was one was half and one was -2. So one was -2. So you will get the two answers in such situation. A line parallel to this line and passes through origin. So let's assume that line is y is equal to mx plus c. Passes through its origin, that means c will be 0, 0 plus c is equal to 0. So therefore c is equal to 0. So y is equal to mx. So what is m? Say m you can find m1 is equal to m2. So this m will be same m. So then m is equal to m1 is equal to minus 2. Then the same y is equal to minus 2x. So y plus 2x is equal to 0. So this is the equation. Now come to the question number 7. What is the question number 7? A line parallel to line with none passes through this one. So passes through this one. Then first find the slope. The slope will be minus a by b. So minus 1 by 3. Slope is this one. So y is equal to, or you can use the equation by minus 7 equal to minus 1 by 3 x minus 2. So 3 by minus 21 is equal to minus x plus 2. So the equation will be 3 by plus x, 3 by plus x is equal to 23. Or you can use this one is y is equal to minus 1 by 3x plus c. Now put the value of y. Y is 7 equal to minus 1 by 3 into 2 plus c. So 7 minus plus 2 by 3 is equal to c. That means 23 by 3 is equal to c. So the equation will be y is equal to minus 1 by 3 x plus 23 by, that means 3y plus x is equal to 23. So both way you can find the equation. Now come to the question number 8. What is telling? A line is perpendicular to 3x plus 2y minus 1, and this line is perpendicular and passes through, this is 1 1. So this is slope of this line is m1 is equal to minus 3 by 2. So slope of this line, this is perpendicular, will be plus 2 by 3. Then both way you can find y minus 1 is equal to 2 by 3 into x minus 1. So 3y minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 2. That means 2x minus 3 by 2x minus 3y is equal plus 1 equal to 0. So or both, one more way, that y is equal to mx plus c. So m value of m is y is 2 by 3 x plus c. Now it is passing through 1 1. So 1 is equal to 2 by 3 plus c. So c is equal to 1 minus 2 by 3. That means 1 by 3. So y is equal to 2 by 3x plus 1 by 3. That is 3y minus 2x uh, plus 1 is equal to 4. So put all is this type 2y minus 3 is equal to 1. So both the way you are getting the same answer. Now come to the question number. Find the coordinates of the point of intersection. So coordinates of the point of intersection x 2y plus 3 is equal to 3 and 2x minus y is equal to 1. So for point of intersection, just you have to solve simultaneously. So multiply this by 2. So 4x minus 2y plus 2. So this get cancelled. So 5x is equal to 3 to 5. So that's why x is equal to 1. And put x here. So 1 plus 2y is equal to 3. So 2y is equal to 2. Then y is equal to also 1. So you are getting the answer 1 is to 1. So question number 9, 1, 1. Y is equal to 1 and x is also 1. Now come to the question number 10. Find the equation of the line which is parallel to x-axis and which pass through the point of intersection of this one. So parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis matlab that means y is equal to say k. So what is the point of intersection? Y coordinate will be simply you put k in place of that. Let us see x plus 2y is equal to 6 and 2x minus y is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 4x minus 2y plus 4. So add it, then 5x is equal to 10, then x is equal to 2. We have to find the value of y. So put x here. So 2 plus 2y is equal to 6. 2y is equal to 4. Then y is equal to 2. So equation will be y is equal to 2. Now you can try another way also. We'll see in the next chapter. So thank you.